What are benzos? Benzo is a slang term for benzodiazepines, a wide family of prescription drugs used to treat anxiety, insomnia, and relieve seizures. There are many varieties of benzos out there with different strengths and effects of action. Some of the better known brands of benzos include Xanax, Valium, Ativan, Klonopin, and Halcion. Are there street names for benzos? Yes, there are many of them. Most benzo street names are based on particular brands. For example, Xanax is known by the name Xannies or bars, planks, and bricks. The last three are based on the distinctive shape of Xanax bars. Klonopin is known as Super Valium, Pin, K, and so on. General street names for benzos include downers, nerve pills, and tranks. Benzo itself is a street name. Why do people use benzos? For someone with insomnia, a serious anxiety disorder, or someone who's experiencing seizures, benzos can be a lifesaver. The effects of these medications have allowed people to live normal lives. However, the sedative effects benzos have make them popular as chill-out drugs. They're used to come down off party drugs like ecstasy, cocaine, acid, or speed. Plus, benzos can create feelings of euphoria in some people. What are the side effects of benzos? Benzos are tranquilizers, so they tend to make people feel sleepy and relaxed. Benzos also have some negative side effects. Confusion, dizziness, slurred speech, and more are all side effects of benzos. Also, these effects are far more severe if benzos are taken with other drugs, such as alcohol. Finally, benzos can cause memory blackouts. Rohypnol, known as Arufy, is a drug that's often used during assaults because of the effects it has on a person's memories. What are the withdrawal effects of benzos? Benzo withdrawal is infamously hard. If you want to stop using benzos, you need to taper off carefully. Reach out to the Edge Treatment Center. We can help you detox from benzos safely as well as comfortably. That being said, withdrawal symptoms can include nausea, body aches, tremors, sweats, and more. Rebound anxiety is also very common. A person withdrawing from benzos prescribed for anxiety will sometimes feel their symptoms come back very strongly. Again, the Edge Treatment Center can help you through this difficult process. What is the timeline for benzo withdrawal? The timeline for benzo withdrawal depends on multiple factors. The amount of time spent using benzos, the type of benzo taken, personal physiology, all of these affect how long benzo withdrawal lasts. In rare cases, benzo withdrawal symptoms can last for years. Acute withdrawal from benzos can last for around 2 weeks in general. How long do benzos stay in your system? Benzos can hang around in your system for a surprisingly long time. Like withdrawal, many factors determine how long benzos stay in your system. The half-life of benzos is a way to measure how long they stay in your system for. A drug's half-life is how long it takes for half of a dose of a drug to leave your body. This can vary widely when it comes to benzos. Xanax, for example, is a fast-acting benzo that has a half-life of around 12 hours. Valium, which acts more slowly, has a half-life of between 20 to 50 hours. Drug tests also vary widely in how long they detect benzos. Benzos can be detected in urine for up to a week. A hair sample can detect benzos for up to 3 months. What are the symptoms of benzo addiction? Benzo addiction symptoms are the same as many other drugs. A person who starts feeling off or sick when they're not using benzos is likely experiencing withdrawal symptoms, which are a red flag of benzo addiction. Someone who spends a lot of time acquiring, using, and recovering from benzo use is showing addictive behaviors. Also, someone who engages in risky behaviors like stealing benzos or shopping for prescriptions is also showing addictive behaviors. Benzo addiction is no joke. These drugs are highly addictive and very dangerous, especially when used with other drugs. However, benzo addiction is treatable. With the Edge Treatment Center helping you, you'll be able to leave benzo addiction behind safely and effectively. Reach out to us today to learn more.